Hi, I'm Callum Ryan and this is Todd Brandon and we are here at 71 West Street.
At the foot of the range, this cute little cottage is a great entry-level home for someone wanting to break into the market. With front and rear lane access, let's take a quick look. I really love the flow of this home. How great is this entertainer's kitchen with pantry that connects really well through this servery to the rest of the home? Cal's outside to show you the great backyard.
How great is the space in this fully fenced backyard? It also has rear lane access and plenty of room for everyone. If our team can help you own 71 West Street, get in touch. We would love to help you out.